Hello everyone. So in today's video we will install the WEM web console. In my previous video I just installed the infrastructure service, and now we need a console to be able to manage and configure WEM. Before we start, you need to know that this console needs a certificate. And let's see, certificates. I already have a certificate because I'm installing my servers with Ansible, and they automatically generate a certificate and send it to the personal store. So I already have it. If you don't have it, you need one. You need one installed, or you need one as a file. In any case, you will need one. Okay, so let's start the installer. And just straightforward action, doesn't take a lot of time. Next, and install. And finish. I launch the installer, now close, and let's launch it old school way. Okay, so WEM web console configuration, this is what you want to do next. Click yes. Now the big problem here is, I don't know, I've seen it also in last year or something like that. Citrix has done this this screen, and below are the next. You cannot click next if you don't have a high resolution. So I need to close this. I need to sign out and change it to a ridiculously high resolution, because you will not have access to that next button. So edit session. Where was it? Something more than full HD. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, bigger. I hope you will see something if I use this one. A little bit bigger than 120. Yeah, let's use this one. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it went okay because it. Come on. Sign out. I forgot to do something here. Edit session. Auto scale. Okay, cool. Okay, so I hope you can see something, but this is the only way, because those are very far away if you don't have such a big so we just click next. Here we need to type the server IP or name, or just the name. I will use localhost because it is installed, the console is installed on the same server with the infrastructure service. And here it asks us for a service account that will be used, and we will use the same Citrix SPC, because this is also the account that will create another service. I will show it to you in a little bit. So it will be something with API. Okay, so localhost We already have one start service. Now let's go back because it wants next. Okay, one more time. I wanted to also bind the certificate in one go, but yeah. Citrix SPC. Okay, the password. Okay, start service. I know. Yeah, I forgot when the configure certificate shows up. Now you have the options to use a certificate file, but in our case we already have the certificate. We just click on browse and it went. So this wizard went directly, is going directly to your store, and it finds our certificate because we already have it there, and we just click OK and we click on setup certificate. We have the green, so we are ready to go. Okay, I need to sign out because my eyes hurt with this resolution. Sign out. Let me change it back with edit session. Let's go to fit to terminal auto scale. Okay. I want to reconnect just to show you the service that has been created. It's also called Citrix. It's called Citrix WEM Public API Service. And again, you can see that it has been created with the use of the same service account. And again, that service account needs to be an administrator on this server if you want it to function. Okay, let's also test the page to see if it works. I don't have a browser on the server itself, but I can browse it from outside. This one. Okay, so it is our WEM01. Yeah, because we use a certificate, it's secure, and let's sign in. Okay, now the first thing that we need to set up is configure a storage folder. So you need an SMB share to be able to use this storage folder. This is only needed to save the configuration sets and to create backups. Configure storage, and I believe mine is something like r01.test.com and WEM. I hope it's like this, but we will see because I already have a backup there. Let's see if it worked. So storage folder, okay. Okay. Configuration sets, backup and restore, and if I see something here, yeah. So that is the correct path. Okay, so we've installed the console. This is how should do it, at least for this version. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.